Good morning from Ella. Today we are going to go to a few places. We're going to go to Lipton Seat first, and then we're also going to check out Night Arch Bridge as well as Little Adams Peak and lunch. And then I'm going to bring you guys with me. And today's video will be shot solely on iPhone. So let's see how the quality goes, and see you later at Lipton Seat. So Lipton Seat is about 1 hour plus away from Nature Woodland. So let's go. We have finally reached Lipton Sea after like 1 hour 30 minutes. So this is where Sir Thomas Lipton bought his first like tea fields in Sri Lanka after he realized that he was quite interested in tea making when he owned a grocery store in Glasgow. So I'm just going to show you guys the tea plantation. It's really quite amazing. So Lipton Sea is just in front. Actually, some people say to come here for sunrise, and I see why, because right now the time is about 9 and it got a little bit foggy already. If you can see, yeah. I heard the sunrise here is pretty amazing, so if you can make it for sunrise, why not? But the road up is like winding. I'm not sure you can see the winding roads there, but it's quite nice. Oh my god. So I actually plan to use my drone to fly over a tea plantation here, but then right, because there are workers out in the tea fields like harvesting and it's so peaceful and quiet here, I don't think I want to like fly my drone because it'll be quite noisy and disrupt the peace here. So just enjoy the clips that I film using iPhone. I hope the audio is crisp and clear with this awesome mic that I recently got from Boya. So it's really like expensive tea fields everywhere, and the workers are out hard at work plucking the tea leaves. I'm just gonna zoom in. So we are now at the tea factory, and oh my god, these flowers are so pretty. And I'm really excited because I love tea, and it'll be quite interesting to know how they make the tea here. It's 1,000 per person.
The factory was built by Sir Thomas Lipton. That is on 1890. That is the year. Going to be another 34 years old. Okay, the length is 345 feet, width is 40, elevation 1566 meters. Registered number 320. Manufacturer registered number 265. Number of lofts, there are 4 lofts and 30 bases. Ground floor area 19,760 square. Once you get the leaf, first of all, we'll have to weigh the leaf. After weighing this leaf, we'll have to take to the machines to take out the moisture. There will be 100% of moisture in this leaf. We'll have reduced that half to half. Okay? There are machines to take out the moisture. Okay? Please come. I'll show you.
So apparently these are the machines to take out the moisture from the leaves. but I think 50%.
That's a big fan. Out of the sun, it's getting dry. Okay. So we'll have to start the fan and send the air through this. This way it's getting dry. Okay. So the length is 100, width is 6, and 1 cubic feet. You can spread 1,200 kilos in this. And we'll have to keep it for 12 to 14 hours. And there are some chemicals in this leaf called caffeine. So you'll find a lot of caffeine in this leaf.
What's happening? So much leaves. There's a hole?
These are the rolls. Okay. This way it's getting rolled. The leaf will go down, it will get rolled.
Oh.
To damage the leaf cells. Okay?
It's a machine?
Yeah, machine.
Ah. Oh.
Okay. This way, every 1 hour will have to charge 350, 350, 350. 1,050 kilos every 1 hour will have to charge the leaf.
So
Okay.
when do you push the leaf in?
Yeah, now they will push.
Ah.
That's the way they are doing.
And then all will be inside.
Yeah,
Down.
down, down. We'll go
Ah.
down. I'll show you.
This is dried already?
Yeah, dry.
Oh, this is dry. Oh,
Wow, so many
Yeah,
leaves.
yeah. 50% dry.
Wow.
Oh,
Interesting.
the rolling.
So we'll have to keep it 2 hours down to get the oxidization ferment. We'll have to keep it like that. Okay. After that, we'll go to the dryer, to dry.
Honestly, pretty cool. But this factory, the smell of tea is so strong. I feel like coughing.
These are the
Ah,
okay. So we'll have to clean all this fiber.
it's hot. This tea is hot.
We'll have divided it.
So we have our final product, which is very fine tea.
After making that, we'll have to take 3 kilos and send to Colombo to our growers. Our growers is 8 kilos. This is a party, Andhra party. This was belongs to Lanka.
We are now breaking for lunch at this place called Rainbow Cafe. I heard the food is quite good, so let's hope it is. Hi, doggy. So we're here at Cafe Rainbow and the place is honestly so nice. So I came up and realized that, oh my god, the top floor is even more pretty. Anyway, I ordered a build your own burger with jackfruit patty, mushrooms, onions, and a normal regular burger bun. So let's hope it tastes good. I'll update later. Show you guys the burger how it looks like when they serve me. But now we're just waiting. Amazing place, so spacious up here. It's a little more crowded on the second floor, but honestly, like the vibes are great. Look at that. Can you guys see? It's so pretty. I think that's a smoothie bowl or something. We are now going to the Night Arch Bridge. The time is 1:15. Not a good timing, but that's where we are after lunch and it's quite hot, so that's that. So we are walking to the Night Arch Bridge now and we are walking along the railway track. Hopefully we make it in time to see the 1:30 train. Time now is like 1:20. Okay, bye bye, see you later. Oh, we are here now. This is the Night Arch Bridge.
Next, yellow thing to me. Where are you from? India. Why you were under the bridge?
if you're thirsty here in the hot weather, there's coconuts here as well. So I bought a coconut for 250 rupiah. It's too hot and we're still waiting for a train. The train is supposed to come at 1:30, but it's already 2:15. It's late. So there's this shelter area if you're escaping from the hot sun when you're here. Otherwise, there's another shelter over there. Yeah, so hopefully the train comes soon because it's getting super hot and we want to go Little Adams Peak soon. Yeah. It's super sweet. The time now is 2:30 and everyone is waiting for the train. It's coming soon. The train is here, guys. The train is here. There was a whistle by like the official around here and everyone had to move away from the tracks. The train is here finally. 2:39, closer to 40. Oh, interesting. And there are people hanging out of the train as you can see. Oh, that's it? What a short train.
It is a short train.
I thought it was as long as the one that we were on.
Yeah, I also thought so.
Why is it so short? Okay, everyone's disappearing. We should disappear too. We are walking back now, and then I hear the sound of a waterfall. So the entrance to Mini Adams Peak seems to be coinciding with a very famous resort here. And the tunnel is actually 3:15 and I don't know what's going on, but there's some party music or something happening down there. And this structure actually reminds me a lot of like Bali because of its use of bamboo as well as the curves. And when I went to Green Village Bali, it looks almost similar, exactly like this. And I think they use tin or some kind of aluminium alloy to coat the top layer to prevent wear and tear. Yeah, see? I'm pretty sure it's like different kind of metal and to cover and protect the bamboo because bamboo actually is one of the strongest material to build buildings, but then it needs replacement every couple of years. Yeah, and Mini Adam Peak is one of the most popular hiking places here in Ella because it's such a short walk and then you see an amazing view. So here we go. I heard it's about 30 or 45 minutes only and really looks like Bali. It looks like you want to swing. Welcome to Bali.
What?
A beach
Oh,
club
like beach
and a
club.
swing. How is this not Bali? Oh my god.
I've been to the beach club.
Oh my god. She has not been to Bali swing. She's nuts.
I only been there 5 days, man.
That's enough. There's a zip line here as well. We just saw a few people go down zip line and they'll eventually reach that platform there. It seems quite fun and fast. So if you're up for something more thrilling, you can come here for the zip lining. It's called Ravana zip line, I believe. That's the zip line, guys. Little Adams Peak, I think it's just the top of that rock. Doesn't seem that far, so I think beginners super friendly. There's a bit of like overcast clouds. I hope it's just passing clouds actually. And this is also the same route to Ravana Flying Club, Ravana Flying Fox thing. It started drizzling. And we're finally here. Actually, after like 10 minutes to 12 minutes, we'll only show you guys a view. It's drizzling, unfortunately. Wow. Wow. It's drizzling a little, but it's all green. Look at the sky. It's unfortunate. It started pouring and I can't fly my drone here at Little Adams Peak. I'm just gonna end the vlog here and hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about Sri Lanka, just leave them down in the comments. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe my video, okay guys? Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to Yala National Park for half-day safari tour, so that should be exciting and interesting. So see you. Bye bye.